What's up, guys? Robert over here at ADS Motorsports. Tonight we're in a pretty fun place. Don't worry about it, Kay. This guy over here looking at me funny, holding the camera in front of myself. People. Tonight we're here over at Zollinger Racing Products. Let's tilt that down a little bit. Zollinger Racing Products in Logan, Utah. These guys make some high quality stuff. Billet anything you can think of. They've got billet snowmobile parts, UTV. They're doing a lot of racing. Ultra 4. For those of you that don't know, Ultra 4 is insane rock racing.
Guys are weird. They like to film stuff like this and walk back like, oh, remember that time, like, right?
That's exactly it.
Remember that time sitting on the ledge at Hammers?
Dude, that was a good time. That guy blowing out his entire back end. Good times at Hammers. But we're not here to talk about hammers.
No, we're not talking about hammers. We're talking about rotating mass, I believe. Right?
Rotating mass.
Yeah.
So, snowmobiles. What does that mean?
What does that mean? Quicker out of the hole, quicker on top of the snow. You're gonna roost your buddy. That's what that means.
I like the sound of that already.
Mud ducking. You know what a mud duck is?
Oh, yeah.
Stuff like that.
So rotating mass, what do we got? I see a lot of clutch parts sitting here.
Well, there's clutch parts. There's old parts. There's our parts. We were just weighing some stuff up, looking at some stuff. There's some new parts that we're just releasing right now.
Now you were telling me this was top secret up until really up until today.
A little bit, yeah.
So what is it?
It is the spring perch, basically roller perch for your secondary.
Okay. And now we had just weighed that a minute ago. Let's check it out. Show it to the people. I got this.
Well, we'll start with the stock one, yeah.
Okay, stock one, we're at 397. Now I'm guessing this is grams?
Yes, sir. 397
grams.
So if that was gold, that would be awesome, and this would be bad. But since it's not,
that is a big difference. 157. That's insane. So we've lightened that up already. That's going to give us a lot more acceleration, like you said. More
yeah, that's in your secondary, so that's going to lighten you up. This is the quick drive brake disc.
Okay.
On the Polaris Pro, and we knock about half the weight out of this. The nice thing about this feature is your quick drive belt. This helps dissipate heat. It gives your brake, like when you're in the trees trying to maintain a level, like you can get a lot more touch with the brake. It doesn't get hot on you and get really grabby to where it wants to throw you over the bars. Those are a few of the nice things, plus it's light. So same thing again, gets you up on top of the snow, gets you out of the hole quicker.
Very good. Now, what's this guy? I'm looking at this. That's all fancy. That's a lot of metal right there.
Yeah, that's your flywheel in the 850 Patriot motor.
Okay.
And it's dirty because some metal has stuck to the magnets. So these are your magnets, spin around your coils, makes the electricity down inside your motor, underneath the recoil. When you start the motor, this spins and makes the spark.
What does that sound?
That's your turbo starting to go on the side if you have a Boondocker turbo, which works magically well with all this stuff. Magically well. Yeah, they win King of the Hills and stuff up in Jackson, do crazy stuff like that. I don't know.
I'm going to quote you on that. Awesome. Now, last one here that I'm seeing. Oh, we've got some titanium here.
Yeah, titanium bolts, titanium weight pin bolts, titanium clutch cover bolts. So these replace your stock steel weight pins. They weigh exactly half of what the stock ones do. So This is also the Recoil Cup bolts, and these have been, I don't know if you can see that, they have like little holes there.
There we go.
Yeah. It's like jewelry for the inside of your sled that nobody will ever see, but you.
It's just for you.
Just for you,
I
yeah.
like that already. Now, this is the last one now. What's,
This is the starter Recoil Cup. This thing fits like clear back to maybe even a TX 440, maybe a TXL 340, Centurion 500, Indy 400, maybe even a Storm. This probably fits a Storm.
for a lot of guys?
An Ultra, yeah, you might be still sporting Ultra. This fits that as well. All the way up to the 800 Patriot motor. This is your guy. And that fits on the 800 Patriot flywheel, which we have one of those. That's the difference. This is interesting. This is something that Polaris did that's pretty awesome. This is the 800 flywheel, right? 1,664 grams. That's a lot. Polaris did an amazing job with this piece. There you go.
Wow.
Even Polaris knows 400 grams is a lot.
Makes a difference.
Makes a big difference.
Very good. That's awesome to know. Perfect. Well, now you can get these from your site, Zollinger Racing Products, or stop into our shop,
ADS Triple S.
ADS Triple S. We changed the names, apparently. Which way are we?
ADS Motorsports.
ADS Motorsports. There you go.
I think you'll get it done.
Perfect. Awesome. Well, Travis, thank you for showing us around.
Sounds good.
Seeing you.
Yep.
Dink it.
Uh-huh.